Welcome back to House Improvements. This is day 9 on our bathroom vlog. So our bathroom project's coming along. The mudding and that is looking pretty good. I'm going to give it a sand today and hopefully give it a shot of paint, and we'll see where everything's sitting, but get her sanded out first off and then we'll see what's happening. If I get a chance, maybe I'll work on some cabinets today as well. So I'm back here at the end of day 9 and we got a lot accomplished today. As you can see, everything got sanded out, walls and ceiling got painted, and we also got the curdy board in place on the walls on the shower. It was a productive day, got a video done for that, got the lighting and things in place, and it's starting to look like a bathroom again. I also got the tiles laying out here, picking grout colors. So these ones over here are going to be the floor tiles, and these are going to be the shower tiles and border. So I didn't get to working on the cabinets at all today, but as you can see, it was a busy enough day as it was. So we'll take a little break tonight and see what happens tomorrow.